check on Sabine. Come in, Sabine. Major difference in braking and speeding up?
I would say yes, for the braking, because that's all I'm doing going downhill.
Roger that. You're doing a great job. Keep up the good work.
Thanks. Enjoy the coast speed at a moderate.
You're going dumb slow.
Welcome back to Living the Tiny Dream. The Road to Tiny Living series shows our 10-day cross-country road trip from Massachusetts to California as we visit various iconic U.S. parks and cities. If this is your first time tuning in, click the Road to Tiny Living icon to watch from the beginning. Also, follow us on Instagram, where we post real-time pics and videos of our journeys. In our last video, we visited the Arches National Park in Moab, Utah. But now we are traveling another 450 miles to Las Vegas. We decided to try to squeeze in at least a glimpse of the dam on the night of our arriving to Las Vegas. We arrived just as the sun has set, so we're rushing, trying to get to an overlook bridge called the Mike O'Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. And even though we're seeing this at night, the view is awe-inspiring. The Hoover Dam measures a whopping 726 feet. As you look down on the bridge or cross over the actual dam itself, you'll see 4 intake towers that regulate the water supply to the power plant turbines.
You had to go all the way back here?
There because you can see the water at the bottom. 2 of them are on the Nevada border, the other 2 are on the Arizona. That's another really interesting thing that we didn't realize about the Hoover Dam. The dam straddles 2 states and also 2 time zones. However, since Arizona doesn't recognize daylight savings, depending on the time of year you visit, the times may be the same or they may be different. On this cross-country road trip, there are a lot of places that we saw that were simply jaw-dropping, and even at night, the Hoover Dam did not disappoint. There was so much more to see, but given our time constraints, we'll have to come back another time to get a full tour.
Too dark for all that. Get out of here, girl. What's happening, Mom?
Simeon seems to be having an allergic reaction to something, an unknown source. Nurse Mommy to the rescue.
I will not be sticking the camera out of the window anymore because it's 116 degrees and it feels like a hair dryer blowing wind in my face. Beautiful though.
And it is hot. Oh.
Nice and slow, Mama.
122 degrees.
What you eating? Interesting.
We are traveling from Vegas, which we spent the night there doing our last leg of our trip, to our parking spot in California. And I have let my husband drive because the anxiety that I am having about towing the trailer, going downhill with these 5 and 6% gradients, and curving down mountains, I cannot handle it. But right now we're just getting through a mountainous area and curving and going downhill, and it's a lot for me, a lot. So I'm doing a lot of praying and trying to distract myself, and we're currently in an area where it seems to be a little bit less curvy, and maybe we've gotten to the lower area of that mountain or whatever we were going there.
Yes, we're in California now. We're going in the tiny house.
We're here at the site where our tiny house is going to be brought into. We did just get a glimpse of it across the street, but we're going to have them pull in and do a tour and all that good stuff. We're so excited. Hi. So we just pulled in. We do have a trailer behind us.